Very good morning, children. Your tiny thoughts for biology class. So, in previous class, you learned the general science, only general science you learned. In that, some lessons you learned of biology portion, and from 8th class onwards, you are learning biology separately. So, what is biology? It is a life science. Bio means what? Life science. Lodging means study, life study. So you are going to learn about living organisms, all kinds of living organisms, unicellular, multicellular, all the organisms, how they live, where do they live, and what is the structure, all that you are going to learn from this class, 8th class onwards. So the under biology. What is biology? Bio means life. Logi means study. So life study. We are going to learn about life. Okay. So before we go to this concept of life, so your first lesson. What is science? So what will be your answer? You will give it is a subject like. So you have different subjects, no children? Like social studies is there. Then in that again history, economics, geography. So like the different components you are learning in that. So science, mathematics, like the different subjects you are going to learn. So what is science? So what will be your answer? And in this lesson, what concepts we are going to discuss. So before we go for that, earlier people, so early man, okay, caveman, then early man, primitive era means olden days. If we observe the living style at that time and present time, if we observe, so there are so much of differences we can observe, is it not children? So earlier people used to move from one place to another place, walking if it is a short distance. So if it is long distance, they used to move from one place to another place, that is transport. They were using animals, like horses or other animals were used for moving from one place to another place, is not. But nowadays we are using so many vehicles, fastest means of transport, aeroplanes we are using. They were earlier also, we used to move from one place to another place using animals. Now we are using vehicles, means for transport. I hope you understood. But there is a difference in olden days, that is primitive era, and present time, if we observe. Is it clear to children? So nowadays we have so many facilities we have. Like you are watching the classes on smartphone, is it not children? Then we are using computers, internet we have, satellites we have, different means of transport we have, and hybrid food grains we have, which can yield, which can give good yield of the crop, hybrid food grains. Then we have robotics also. Then different medicines. Nowadays that corona disease, if we observe, so many medicines, vaccines, and all. So there is some development, some research is happening, and we are going to get answers. Is it not children? So that is all happening because of here science. What is that? What is science? Like how we got maybe a cell phone or any computer. So earlier days computer, if you observe, it was occupying a very big area, big size of a room size full it was. But nowadays we have laptops, palm tops also, in your phone also you have a computer, is it not? So we are getting so many uses with that, is it not children? So that how it happened means, there are some people who are going to think in a different way, and that efforts which are done by these people are because of the results which we got from the work of people who are thinking in a different way. So what do we call those people? You know that they are called as a scientist. They are called as a scientist. Children, you may also become scientists. So you will be getting so many doubts. You will be asking many doubts to your parents. So if you observe any flower, or if you observe any bird, or if you observe ants moving one after the other, you will be getting so many doubts. So you want to get answers for such type of questions. Is it not, children? So that is happening because of scientists, and through science it is going to happen. Is it clear to children? Then what is science? What is science? Now your lesson, what is science, what you are going to learn. So just now you learned that what is science means. So because of the efforts of scientists, we are getting answers for some problems. Is it not? Problem means here any task. For that we are getting answer. Is it not, children? So that is happening through science. So we are thinking in a different way, in a specific manner. The scientists are going to think, and we are going to get answers for that. So that answers are very much useful for the mankind to survive in a better way. Is it not, children? So now what is science means? Science is a process of learning. Process of learning. So in what way we are learning? We are observing natural phenomena. How sun rises, how a plant grows from a seed, or how a baby calf is developing, or how an egg is going to develop into chick. So naturally if we observe. So natural process we are going to observe, and we are going to learn through natural phenomena. Natural phenomena. Phenomena means process. Naturally we are observing, and we are going to get answer. Then always it is based on the truth. Then it is going to be happening in a specific manner, or specific way, in a specific way, which we call it as scientific method. Okay, children? Then science always speaks about truth, and we are going to explore. So we are sitting at one place, and we are going to know what is happening in other part of the world. Is it not, children? Science is a process of exploring the world, exploring the things which are how they are happening in this world. So what is science means? Science is a process of learning which we are observing the natural phenomena. It speaks about always truth. What is that? Sun rises in east, sun sets in west. You know that. Is it not, children? So how that process is happening? All that we are going to learn. Exploring the world, and in a scientific method, the scientists are going to work, and we are going to get solutions for that. That one we call it as a science. It is a systematized body of knowledge. Systematized body of knowledge. We are going to get knowledge in a systematic manner. Just like in LKG, you are learning alphabets. Is it not, children? So in 10th class, you are not going to learn alphabets, or in degree, you are not going to learn alphabets. So in some portion, you are learning in LKG, then UKG. So that portion content will be increasing, and you are going to gain that knowledge. Is it not? So what is science means? Science is said to be a systematized body of knowledge. Then science is said to be organized study. Organized. So in a systematic manner, that process will go. And for all these, what is needed means we have to question. So questioning. So questioning is said to be the primary step for getting answers, or for getting any benefit. Is it clear to you? So we have to question. Always if we are going on questioning things, how it got, how it works, what is that, like that. Is it clear to you? So then we are going to get answers for that. We are going to work on that, and we will get answers for that. Then that is the primary step for the scientist. Is it clear to children? So what is science means? Science is an organized study of knowledge, and it is said to be a process of learning, It speaks always about truth, how this natural phenomena or process is going to happen, and questioning is said to be the primary step whichever is involved in the in a fundamental step where the scientists are going to work. Is it clear to children? So that is the introduction for this lesson. So just now you learned questioning is said to be the fundamental or primary step in the getting solutions who are thinking in a scientific way. So let us learn some of the answers for some questions. Like how do plants prepare food? Okay, that is one question we have. So you know, some people will give the answer for that. Plants are going to prepare food by the process called photosynthesis. So then immediately you will get another question. What is that question? Photosynthesis. What is meant by photosynthesis? Suppose if you get that question, what are the materials needed? How the process of photosynthesis is going to happen? So all that is because we are getting doubts and we are going to question and we are going to work on that to get answers for that questions, so that that work is going on happening in a scientific manner and we get the solutions for the problems. So different areas are there in science. As a whole science we cannot learn, is it not children? So different branches are there in the science. Branches of science. Okay, whatever the area of science, whatever the part of the science, it will help the people to live in a better way. Is it clear to children? So what are the different types, different branches of science? Like first I will write botany, then zoology, biology, ecology, ecology, genetics, then physics, then chemistry. So there are so many children, so many areas are there, so many branches are there in science. So they are working in that one particular field and they are going to give solutions for that. Okay children. So botany. So what it is going to make you to understand that botany, it is a branch of science where we learn about the life of plants. So we observe plants in different different conditions. Some live in water, some live in desert conditions, some live on land. Is it not children? Some are tiny, some are very much large in size, and how they live. So how the plants are surviving in extreme conditions, all that we are going to discuss in a separate branch of science which we call it as a botany. Then zoology. So zoology is said to be a branch again of science where we learn about the animals. So different types of animals. Again, animals are living in water, animals are living in the body of human beings, inside the body and on the skin, or animals are living in water, animals are living in extreme hot conditions or cold conditions. How do they live? So about all that animals' life we are going to learn in zoology. Then biology means what? It is just now you learned, it is a life study. Life study means what? About plants, animals, microorganisms, all that we are going to learn in a separate branch of science called biology. So here ecology means what? We are going to learn about the environment. What is that environment? The surroundings in which we are living. Okay. So in that habitat is there, ecosystems are there, different places, different locations are there. So different types of environments we are living. About that we are going to learn in a separate branch of science which we call it as ecology. So this genetics. So genetics means what? Genetics again it is a branch of biology where we are going to learn about the heredity. So what is that? Genes. Genes are responsible for bringing characters in all living organisms. So for example, if you take current topic, that is corona, so delta plus, like that. Okay, so different variants are there. So how it happened? So all that we are going to learn in a separate branch of biology called as genetics, which is going to make you to understand the characters from parents to progeny, how they are going to be carried, that we are going to discuss in this lesson. Physics. Physics in physics, we are going to learn about the physical features and light, sound, all that we are going to discuss in physics. Chemistry, it is a branch of biology where we are going to learn about the chemicals. And geologists, if we take, they are going to observe the territorial features of the earth, is it clear to you? And they are going to study about fossils. So like that, many branches are there in science which are going to deal with the different kinds of information they are going to give. Is it clear to children? So make a note of it and keep that with you in your classworks. Is it clear to you? So in vast, if we observe these branches or areas of science, so some we are going to observe. So observational science, okay, observational study. So if we take a hibiscus plant, we are going to observe that plant. So how the leaves are there, how the flowers, whether taproot system is present or fibrous root system. So we are observing. So that is observation, through observation. So we are going to learn, we are going to get knowledge about that. Whereas other content, if we take, like if you have any what is that, iron, so if it is kept outside the premises of your house, you are going to observe rusting. Is it not, children? So how that rusting is going to happen? So that we are going to observe. Or what will happen if you burn a cracker? Okay, so sparklers, so it is going to be it is burnt, and we observe light energy, then sound energy, black color ash we are going to observe. What is that? So that is because experimental means what? We are getting answers through observation of things and by conducting some experiments, like in previous classes you learned, like how the plant that how do you prove that oil is present in oil seeds, or how do you prove that for that starch is present in the leaves. So you are taking a leaf and we are putting that leaf in boiled water, and we remove that leaf from boiled water, and if we put 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution, it turns to blue black color. Blue black color indicates the presence of starch, means you are learning that plant is preparing food by the process called photosynthesis. Starch is prepared. So through conducting experiment you are proving. So that is experimental. Is it clear to children? So different scientists, they are working in different areas of the science, and they are observing and they are recording all the information. Is it clear to you? And they are hypothesizing, and they are giving the results also, which is very much beneficial for the mankind. So where do the scientists work? Scientists are going to work in labs, laboratories. So research work is going to be carried out in research institutions. So different research institutions are there. You are observing in newspapers like CCMB. It is going to work more and more on the delta plus variants, or vaccines where they are prepared. So research institutions, so where the scientists are going to work. So all that what they are going to record, and they are going to give the results to the people, which will help in progress of the people. So now what is science? You learned already. So science, from where that word has come from. Okay, so science is a Latin word. It is taken from the language Latin, and meaning of this word science is to be What is that Latin word? Scientia. Scientia is the Latin word, and meaning of this scientia is said to be knowledge. Knowledge, very important. What is from which language we have taken this word? Science means Latin. Word is scientia, and what is the meaning of scientia means knowledge. Is it clear to children? So how we are going to get knowledge, and why is science, then what is science, science and changes, and then reading skills, writing skills, all that we will discuss in next class. Thank you.